In today's fast-paced academic environment, the ability to manage your research effectively is more critical than ever. As postgraduate students, you are not only expected to produce high-quality research, but also to do so efficiently. The book Organizing and Managing Your Research by Renata Phelps, Kath Fisher, and Alan Ellis serves as a comprehensive guide to help you navigate this complex landscape. This book is designed to be a practical, hands-on resource that bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. By focusing on both technical and personal management skills, this book equips you with the tools necessary to streamline your research processes, enhance productivity, and ultimately achieve greater success in your academic career. Research is a multifaceted endeavor that involves not only deep dives into academic literature, but also the strategic management of time, resources, and technology. With the rapid evolution of research methodologies and the increasing reliance on digital tools, it's essential to have a solid foundation in organizational skills. This book offers a holistic approach to research management, covering everything from technical aspects like hardware and software to broader topics like self-management and peer support. By following the advice in this book, you can transform your research experience into one that is not only more efficient, but also more enjoyable. The book's approach is particularly valuable for postgraduates and early career researchers who often face the challenge of juggling multiple responsibilities and balancing personal and professional life. By providing practical strategies and tools, this book helps you navigate these challenges with confidence. Whether you are struggling with time management, unsure about how to organize your research materials, or looking for ways to improve your writing and presentation skills, this book offers a wealth of insights and advice. With its focus on both the technical and personal aspects of research, this book is an indispensable resource for anyone embarking on a research career. The digital revolution has transformed the way research is conducted, and this book helps you harness the power of technology to enhance your productivity. The authors begin by exploring the technical fundamentals necessary for efficient research, including hardware and software essentials, as well as networking strategies. Recognizing that technology plays a pivotal role in modern research, they guide readers through increasing their technical efficiency. This section lays the groundwork for understanding how to leverage technology effectively in organizing research processes. In today's fast-paced academic environment, staying updated with the latest technological advancements is crucial. The authors emphasize the importance of adapting default settings to enhance program functionality and encourages readers to seek clarification on unfamiliar computer terminology through various online resources. The text provides a detailed classification of computers, encompassing desktops, workstations, laptops, palmtops, and servers. Each type of computer has its unique features and compatibility considerations that affect users' choices based on their specific needs. The discussion extends to software fundamentals, delineating two primary categories: operating systems, OS, and application utility software. Operating systems such as Windows, Macintosh OS, Linux, and Unix create user-friendly environments for interaction with hardware components. Each OS has its unique features and compatibility considerations that affect users' choices based on their specific needs. The discussion extends to application software that fulfills particular tasks essential for research activities, such as word processing, spreadsheets, databases, and graphics applications. One notable aspect is the recognition of diverse research cultures across different contexts. This variation can influence how effectively individuals can apply the suggested strategies and tools outlined in the book. Some environments may have abundant technological support, while others might lack access to advanced software or training opportunities. The text highlights that the book's insights are universally applicable, but acknowledges that individual experiences may vary significantly based on institutional resources and cultural expectations regarding research practices. By providing practical tips, case studies, and references to additional resources, the authors aim to equip readers with the tools and knowledge needed to navigate the digital landscape effectively. The authors of Organizing and Managing Your Research emphasize the importance of self-management and support systems in enhancing productivity and collaboration. By understanding your personal work styles and time management strategies, you can develop a more efficient research process. The text encourages researchers to adopt peer support structures and effective communication with supervisors, illustrating how collaborative networks can enhance the overall research experience. Organizing one's work environment, whether physical or digital, is presented as critical for maintaining productivity and clarity throughout the research process. One of the key strategies discussed is the development of comprehensive research plans that include timelines and budgets. The authors suggest using various project management tools to assist researchers in tracking milestones and managing resources efficiently. These tools can help you stay organized and on track, ensuring that you meet deadlines and stay within budget. The text also discusses strategies for effective literature searching in today's information-rich environment, emphasizing the necessity of evaluating web-based information critically. By mastering these skills, you can ensure that your research is well-informed and up-to-date. In addition to technical skills, the book emphasizes the importance of self-management and support systems. The authors encourage researchers to understand their personal work styles and time management strategies. By adopting these strategies, you can develop a more efficient research process and maintain a healthy work-life balance. The text also highlights the importance of peer support structures and effective communication with supervisors. Collaborative networks can enhance the overall research experience, providing valuable insights and support. By fostering a supportive environment, you can stay motivated and focused throughout the research process. Effective planning and tracking progress are crucial for successful research projects. The authors of Organizing and Managing Your Research provide practical methods for developing comprehensive research plans that include timelines and budgets. By using various project management tools, researchers can track milestones and manage resources efficiently. These tools can help you stay organized and on track, ensuring that you meet deadlines and stay within budget. The text also discusses strategies for effective literature searching in today's information-rich environment. Critical evaluation skills are essential for ensuring that the information you are using is reliable and relevant. By mastering these skills, you can ensure that your research is well-informed and up-to-date. The authors emphasize the importance of evaluating web-based information critically, highlighting the need for a balanced approach to information gathering. Furthermore, the book provides guidance on managing data collection and analysis. The authors discuss various data collection methods, including surveys, focus groups, and interviews. By using these methods effectively, you can gather high-quality data that supports your research objectives. The text also covers data analysis techniques, providing practical advice on how to analyze and interpret the data you collect. By mastering these skills, you can ensure that your research is thorough and robust. Effective communication is essential for sharing your research findings and engaging with your audience. The authors of Organizing and Managing Your Research provide practical advice on how to present your findings effectively through oral presentations and written publication. By using clear and concise language, you can ensure that your message is understood and appreciated by your audience. The text also discusses the importance of preparing for and delivering successful presentations. By practicing your delivery, you can build confidence and engage your audience more effectively. The text also covers the importance of preparing for and delivering successful presentations. By using engaging stories, thought-provoking questions, or humor, you can capture your audience's attention from the outset. The text emphasizes the importance of confidence in presenting, as researchers are often there because they are interested in your insights. By focusing on delivering clear and concise content, you can avoid overwhelming your audience with too much information. The text also provides tips for managing time during presentations, ensuring that you stay on track and respect your audience's time. Finally, the text covers the importance of preparing for and delivering successful presentations. By using engaging stories, thought-provoking questions, or humor, you can capture your audience's attention from the outset. The text emphasizes the importance of confidence in presenting, as researchers are often there because they are interested in your insights. By focusing on delivering clear and concise content, you can avoid overwhelming your audience with too much information. The text also provides tips for managing time during presentations, ensuring that you stay on track and respect your audience's time. Throughout the book, the authors encourage researchers to reflect on their research journey and continually seek ways to improve their skills and strategy. The text provides a wealth of practical advice and tools for organizing and managing your research, but ultimately, the key to success lies in your own reflection and commitment. By taking the time to reflect on your research process, you can identify areas for improvement and refine your approach to research management. The text provides a variety of tools and strategies for self-reflection, including journaling, mind mapping, and structured reflections. By using these tools effectively, you can gain valuable insights into your research process and refine your approach to research management. The authors also emphasize the importance of forming peer support groups and maintaining open communication with supervisors. By fostering a supportive environment, you can stay motivated and focused throughout your research journey. The text provides practical advice on how to form and maintain peer support groups, including setting clear expectations, scheduling regular meetings, and encouraging active participation. By following these guidelines, you can create a supportive network that helps you navigate the challenges of research and stay motivated throughout your academic career. In conclusion, organizing and managing your research is a comprehensive guide that provides essential tools and strategies for navigating the complexities of academic research. By adopting the practical tips and techniques outlined in this book, you can transform your research experience into one that is not only more efficient, but also more enjoyable. With its focus on both technical and personal management skills, this book offers a holistic approach to research management that can be tailored to individual needs and circumstances. Whether you are a postgraduate student, an early career researcher, or an experienced academic, this book is an indispensable resource for anyone committed to excellence in their research endeavors. By following the advice in this book, you can enhance your productivity, improve your research outcomes, and ultimately achieve greater success in your academic career.